In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take back returns with Steam Client. Before you request a refund, it's crucial to confirm that your purchase is eligible. Steam's standard policy is simple: the purchase must be within 14 days, your total playtime must be under 2 hours, and the item should be marked as refundable. Remember, playtime includes everything, even time spent in menus or launchers. There can be limited exceptions for technical issues or pre-orders, but those are still handled under strict limits. To verify your hours, open your Steam profile and check the recent games section. It shows your playtime right away. You can also see refund eligibility on the game store page or in your purchase details. When you're ready, sign in through the Steam client or visit the store website. From the top right, open account details and choose View Purchase History. If you prefer another route, go to Help, then Steam Support, select Purchases, and choose View Purchase History there. Find the game or item you want to return in the list. If you don't see it, confirm you're using the correct account and that the purchase date is within the refund window. Click the purchase entry to open the details, then choose I'd like to request a refund or I would like a refund. Select the reason that best fits your situation, such as didn't enjoy it or technical issues. Next, pick where you want the money to go. You can send it to your Steam wallet, which is often the quickest, or to your original payment method, like a card or PayPal. Add a brief note if context will help, for example a short description of a technical problem you experienced. Clear, concise information can make approval smoother. When everything looks good, submit your request. After submitting, you can track the status in your purchase history and watch for email updates. Many decisions arrive within 48 hours, but it can take up to 7 days, especially during busy periods. If you chose Steam Wallet, funds typically appear quickly after approval. If you selected your original payment method, allow up to 7 days for the refund to show, depending on your bank or payment provider. Keep an eye on your email in case Steam asks for clarification. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.